Alright, this is Joe with Typewriter, and I have let's see, it's a Sears SR2000 series typewriter. Got this for my youngest son. I'm going to give it to him for his 10th birthday. He's been wanting a typewriter since he's been playing with mine, and I figured with it being, it's an old school, it's got the type bars and everything, but it's an electric with a power return. I thought it might be easier for him to use. However, I got it really cheap. I got it at a thrift store for $7.99, but there's some issues with it. I got part of it already fixed, kind of. The power return, it wouldn't line advance. It wouldn't do a line feed, and it still has some issues with when you hit return. It doesn't really like to move the carriage all the way all the time, and I think it just needs to be lubed up a bit. Today I'm going to focus on trying to get those done and putting in the new ribbon. I got a nice black and correction ribbon for him. I figured he might like that. It's I don't know if you see right here, yeah, on the selector. It's not really set for. I mean, you could use a black and a red, but you can tell it's designed to have a correction ribbon on it. So, yeah, let's have some fun with that. Okay, so I think first, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna grab a screwdriver real quick. Let's go ahead. Let's unplug this. I had it plugged in. Just turn it around. Move that out of the way. To get in here, there's a couple of screws back here. They're Phillips screws, but flat screwdrivers working just fine. There we go, get that off. And let's see, I think the next thing is yeah, so we're unscrewing the handle from platen. There we go. And there's a little screw down here. Need a different driver. And that's actually a perfect size. Okay, so we'll leave that in there. So, about right here, there was an issue it was having. I'm going to plug this back in. See, she's on now. Power return's pretty slow. I mean, it moves, but it's pretty slow. Float moves really well, but that power return is just kind of chunky. And this right here was sticking. You'd hit the power return, and this wouldn't move at all. And it's pretty well lubed up now. I used some 3-in-1 oil right here, and it's actually, that power return's actually working pretty good. I think when I lubed it before, it probably just finally caught up with cleaning it up a bit. Oh, there we go, it's sticking a little bit still. I think that might work itself out over time though. So that's not too bad. So, and it's definitely usable. And if I need to, I'm going to end up cleaning up in here a little bit later anyway. His birthday's on Monday, so I want to make sure that it's ready for him. The ribbons just came in the other day, so let's go ahead and just swap the ribbon out now. I guess we'll put. I'll get this put back on, and then, well, I guess I can put that on camera. So let's go ahead and put this back on. Get this over here. Shut this guy off. There we go. Okay, nice inside. This one's a little tricky getting it back on. At least it was last time. I guess that time it didn't do too bad. They're kind of short. I'm doing this at a weird angle because of the tripod. There we go. Okay, I forgot they had to do the platen release. There we go. Yep. Okay. Go ahead and move this around this way. To clean the workbench. Alright, so I haven't taken these off yet, and they're Smith Corona reels, but they're really cheap plasticky looking deals. And they got these little wire clips on them, and I've not dealt with that before. Okay, and this ribbon, I mean, you could type on it, but it was really faint. So let's go ahead and open this. Made in the USA, can't beat that. And the seller, got these on eBay, and I think they're on Amazon too. I think it's called FJA Products or something like that. I'll try to put a link to their eBay store when I upload this. Okay, so and these are plastic reels too, but you know. Okay, so, and there's you can see the little brad in there for the auto reverse. Get that rolled past that. And let's go ahead. How do I want to do this? Let's just get that on just to set it there. There we go. Oh, that just clips right on. That's convenient. Get this in here. I've only changed out plain black ribbons before, so this is a little interesting. Okay, got that. Pull this guy here. Hope my head's not getting in the way. And there's that. I think we should be get that on. It's a piece of paper. Hey, not bad. Not bad. Okay. So let's do the word mistake there. And then we'll flip this to white. Hey! It's not perfect, but it's a lot better than not being able to correct it at all, that's for sure. That's a lot better than just dragging white out over it. I wonder... Oh, there we go. Yeah, it puts a little more on there. And it looks like just this end part of the ribbon is a little kind of chewed up on the correction part, but it's interesting. I've never used one of these ribbons before though. So let's go ahead and get this guy back on. Okay. Try the power return. Could be better, but it works fine, I guess. So, whoops! Haha! Always important to make sure you're on the correct ribbon, or the correct part of the ribbon. Quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Not bad. Alignment's a little off, but it's, you know, I'm sure this typewriter wasn't super well maintained, or, I mean, to a large extent it looks like it just sat somewhere, but you can tell it was used. There's a fair bit of dust and stuff in it, so it probably sat out. So, but anyway, hoping he's happy. He's got his own typewriter now. All right, thanks for watching.